The question is, there's a graph, it shows a relationship between speeds in miles per hour and kilometers per hour. And we need to use the graph to estimate the speed in kilometers per hour of a car traveling at 52 miles per hour and the speed in miles per hour of a train traveling at 64 kilometers per hour. The first thing we need to do with this graph is identify which axis is which. And so, of course, on the vertical axis, it says miles per hour. And on the horizontal axis, it says kilometers per hour. And then we have to identify what's the units that the lines on the graph are broken up into. So let's have a look at the vertical axis and identify where is the 20 actually, and we'll find the closest line for the 20. We'll find the closest line for the 40, and there they are. And then we'll say, well, how many lines are between the 20 and the 40? There's 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so what is each line worth in terms of stepping to get from 20 to 40? Well, there's 20 units from 20 to 40 divided by 5, and each of those lines is plus 4. So you have 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and then 40. All right, so the question for us is 52 miles per hour. So we go 52, let's start at 40, go up one line, we're at 44, 2, we're at 48, 3, we're at 52, there's 52. We go across on the graph until we reach the red line, and where it intersects, then we go down the axis until we get to, down the graph till we get to the x-axis. And we have to identify, well, what's that number there on the x-axis? And if we look at the scale, well, hopefully we would notice, oh, it's the same scale as the vertical axis. The major numbers are going up in 20s, and there are 5 lines for each of those 20s, and so each of those lines is 4. And so we look and we go, all right, we're 4 past 80, and so we're at 84 kilometers per hour. And then that's my answer for part A. What's the speed of the car traveling in kilometers per hour? And so for miles per hour, for when we're given kilometers per hour, we do the same, but in reverse. We go on the x-axis, find out where 64 is, and then go straight up to the line and straight across, and we've ended up on 40, so that's pretty handy. And we can just write the answer is 40 miles per hour. And that's the end. Well done.